You're reminded not to leave your luggage unattended. Unattended.
We have offices in Norway, we have offices in Graz here in Austria where we are today, Frankfurt, Germany, and Asia, Bangkok, Singapore, and we're also looking into moving into the United States.
UFIS has a global solution for all airport operations. Flexibility is ongoing. There's aviation-related business, which is a 24-hour operation. There are shops, retails, there are property stuff and all that. And now there is more and more increasing importance for this flexibility, if you like. But at the same time, because you need to entertain a consumer, you need to inform a visitor, you have to put multimedia information. There's triple play coming in and saying, where is my place on the screen, where is my place at the gate?
You need to have the aircrafts in the right place. You need to have the resources, the people who are working in the airport in the right place. The airport needs to know where you are on a specific time. So our software kind of tracks everything. New versions will be developed together with our key clients. The opinions they have, they know the industry very well, much better than we do. So we listen very carefully on them, and Athens are a key one for us in that area.
And this is where I would say we have found our natural partner of UFIS, because UFIS provides the response and the answer of such a solution in order to enable us to provide this strategic role, if you like, in airport operations, and to give a passenger and the airlines and the handlers, and as well as all the other governmental authorities, the best possible, I would say, services around airport operations. I would say the fact that we chose UFIS, we are very happy about it. And as I previously said, I think it's important to maintain, to keep this, and it's a working relationship.
We admire all different cultures out there, and we are trying to take that in consideration when moving this company forward.
Nothing is automatic, nothing is off the shelf. I want to give this as a message also to other airports or other users, that you have the impression that you're buying a very good product from the shelf, and you expect it to plug it and to work, but that is not what you would really need. What you really need is a partner, is to get a software which has a lot of basic elements that are adapted or required for your functionality, and to be able to improve this in the process. It's not a one-shot situation.
When we're talking about customized products, like every airport has its own needs, so you have to customize the basic product in the needs of every airport. Then we're talking about, of course, new development, new releases, new bug fixing versions. We are in a stage right now in Athens that we're using the system for 2 years now with no problems. And this is what I've heard that it's happening now in Bangkok also and in Dubai. So we have, I think UFIS during the last years has made a lot of progress on that perspective.
Unattended.
Giving our clients a full package of different solutions. So we'll work very close with Airport Innovation, which is a company in our structure, as well as our side is that And so we will approach the market more together than before.
We have to provide systems for the future. Normally, the infrastructural owner or the civil aviation company, they have one agenda, that's bring a plane down and make it leave again with the correct load and passengers.
Unattended.
For such customers which we are now working towards, which is a lot of airports which is more than 10 million passengers, you see that you have to make take care of the quality in the supplies. You have to make sure that you have tests during the project to see that you actually are in the project as you should be. That you don't at a certain moment come into the airport and you have a complete crash of the system and everything you've done is wrong. So Airport Innovation and the UFIS group has made a lot of focus into the quality settings of the project to see that you actually can secure the delivery for the customer as you work along.
Unattended.
In Frankfurt, where we have a great team. The experience in that team, it's hundreds of years if you put that together, and we will utilize that very much. I'm happy to have that staff there, and we are trying to find new people. We need more people with respect to development.
So we have to take care of the customer. The customer is number one for us. If the customer is not comfortable with us, we will not get any more work with them. That's today they can choose about with a number of suppliers which probably deliver more or less the same software. Some with some problems, some with no problems. And relations you build with the customers, these are the things you have to take care of. They have to be comfortable with us, and they have to know that we have competent staffing, and they have to know that we can supply what we're telling them that we do supply.
Unattended.
It's a good element for a third-party customer to see a successful situation between UFIS Airport Solutions and Innovations with an airport which has used it well in the past and is continuing to use it well.
We will also move into the security area. I mean, everything which happened after 9/11, we will focus on, and we will make the airports more secure with our software.
Unattended.
Efficiency, automation, and so these products are not made by someone smart sitting in a room making something for himself. It's needs which we have seen on the airport, and based on the fact that these modules are all sold on the airports, and they're sold on the biggest airports, and they are all implemented with success. I would strongly say that the UFIS setting today is a success, definitely.
It is a constant energy and interaction, if you like, from the user side, from the IT side, from the UFIS side.
Unattended.